If you want to stylize it or enlarge it, you can customize it however you like. If you don't want to use a mango and you want your company to use a different fruit, for example, if your company produces dragon fruit, you just type in dragon fruit. Building a brand in business in general, as well as specifically in the import-export industry, is extremely important. In large companies, they invest a lot of money and time into building their brands and company image. This starts with designing logos, creating company brochures, and developing beautiful websites. So what if you are a small business? Or if you're just starting out in the export field and don't have much money to invest at the beginning, you can absolutely take practical steps to build and enhance your company's image and brand, even with a very small budget or sometimes even completely free of cost. Now, let's explore together, step by step, how you can quickly and easily create a company logo in under 5 minutes that looks both great and professional. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. All right, okay. At the bottom of the screen, you can type in Vixnk-English and you'll be directed to Canva. They'll also leave this link in the description below, so if you don't want to type it out, you can just scroll down and click the link directly. Then, just hit enter. It will take you to the Canva website. So, today's session will be divided into 2 parts. First, they'll guide you on how to create a Canva account, either a free one or otherwise. Second, from this account, we'll start using it to design company logos. All of this can be done in less than 5 minutes. All right, let's start with the account creation part. Once you've accessed the website, just click on the sign up button here. Actually, I already have an account. Now, it'll just click through the steps so you can see how to create one. Next, you can continue by signing up with Google. The fastest way is to use your Google account. Just click on it, enter your Google account password, and login is the quickest method. For those of you who aren't familiar with Canva, it's a tool that was actually founded by someone from Australia, I believe. And it's a pretty powerful tool that can really help you out. You don't need to know anything about Photoshop or have any graphic design knowledge, and you can still create very beautiful designs. Also, if you use Canva in the future, you can create presentations for your clients that are really engaging. In fact, I'm currently using Canva myself to make presentations for my clients, and it's incredibly fast and efficient. We'll gradually go through all those features, but let's get back to today's lesson. So, let's return to how we can create a logo for an export business. Right now, on my screen, I'm using a free account. The reason I created this account here is just to show you how to log in. Most of the time, it'll upgrade to the Pro version so I can use all its features. The Pro version is actually quite affordable. You can click here to try it out for free. It gives you a 30-day free trial. After that, the monthly fee is, I think, less than 150,000 VND. Now, it'll log into my Pro account. I have a separate Pro account, and using it will give us access to all the features, unlike the free account. I already have a Pro account, everyone. For example, Vixnk-English or Canva. First is to help you know about the company logo. Do you know what a company logo is? A company logo is the very first thing that customers usually see about your company. It's typically located in the top left or top right corner of a website. For example, the logo of Walmart. So first, take a look at what main components a company logo usually has. Then we'll use this knowledge to design our own. Here is the logo of a Walmart supermarket, everyone. It usually includes, first, text and images. As for the image, I'm not exactly sure what it means either. And finally, there's a slogan underneath. The slogan usually expresses the vision or mission of the company or business. For example, with Walmart. Walmart is a US supermarket. It's the largest in the country. Its slogan is, "Save money, live better." All right, let's move on to another logo so you can see. Hey, race the logo of a company called Gorton. This company is a seafood company. So, as you can clearly see, this is the logo of a company. Right here. A company specializing in seafood. So it includes this image, everyone. It also consists of three parts. First, the image and the text. Second, the slogan, Trusted Import-Export 1849. This company specializes in seafood, providing various types of seafood products around the world. And there's a third point I want to emphasize. Besides the text and the logo and the slogan, there's also the color scheme. The colors of the logo also help recall or evoke the image of the business. For example, here they use three main colors: white, blue, and yellow. Usually, a logo will only have 2 to 3 colors. Now, based on this knowledge, we'll start creating a logo for you. First, click on Create Design here. In the Design section, type in Logo. Here, this is the logo. Just search fish. Then it will show us logos related to fish, or if we're working on fruit, we would search for fruit. Now, on this screen, you'll see a lot of sample logos. You can choose any logo you like, any sample you like. For example, let's say I choose this one. After that, you can customize it however you want. For example, if you don't like this image, let's say your company is also about fruit, but you don't like this image and you want your company's main product to be, let's say, mangoes. Then you just click on this element and you can select mango. For mango, you should select graphics. That way you'll see a lot of more stylized images. For example, here I see a really nice image. Just click on it and it will appear right here. You can enlarge it as well. See? Got it? Now we have it. Down here will be your company name. For example, company. Company. For example, you'll just use that as an example, okay? And finally, at the bottom, you'll have the slogan. For the slogan, you can use something like, for example, fresh fruit. Be healthier. Be healthier means fresh fruit, then it will. Health. Leave out be or keep it. Fresh fruit equals be healthier, then add the equal sign. So that's how you come up with a slogan. If you want, you can enlarge this part. As for the font size, you can absolutely make it bigger. If you want to stylize it or enlarge it, you can customize it however you like. So now we have a company logo. For example, if you don't want to use a mango and you want your company to use a different fruit. For example, if your company produces dragon fruit, you just type in dragon fruit. We'll show you a dragon fruit, everyone. And you can also select insurance again, so you just pick any long from here. This fruit looks pretty nice, whatever it is. This dragon fruit is also quite stylized. When customers see this, they'll know right away that your company specializes in exporting dragon fruit. You can also customize the text color right here. You can choose any color you like. For example, if you prefer red, just select red. Since the dragon fruit is red, you should choose red as well. For instance, here, you can change the color right away, everyone. You can switch it to red immediately. So it'll change this to red. Let's change our company color to blue. Blue and red go well together. Let's pick a dark blue. There we go, and down here, this one will also be red. All right. If you want the text to be bold, just click here. Got it? Black might look more suitable. Okay, let's go with black. So we finished creating a company logo. Here, you can also add text effects. You just need to select Effect here to choose additional text effects. Make it bold, lighter, or however you like. It's totally up to you. Now, for example, if you want to create multiple different versions, just click here, then click Add Page here. That way, you can easily create another version. There's also a button here. Click here to duplicate the page. You just need to click here to double it, creating a page too. At this point, you can make several versions to choose from. For instance, here it'll select a white background to see if it looks better. Then, It'll change the text color. Let's try this blue and see if it looks nicer. So you can freely choose and adjust the versions as you like, experimenting with different options. And once you've finished your logo, if you want to export the file, just click here on Share and then select the Download button so you can download your logo. Here, I set it to 500x500 as an example for now, just to show you how it works right here, which is the standard size for a logo, so you can add it to various digital. If you want to print it, you can increase this to get a higher resolution, for example, 1000 by 1000. Here, you can select the number of pages. You can export 2 pages at once, and then choose the file type here, either PNG or PDF, depending on your needs. Usually, selecting PNG and exporting is fine. Then just click Download here. Once it finishes downloading, you can just move it out here after downloading, and you'll be able to see that. You have 2 logos. Customize. Elements are customizable. Alright, so I've just finished showing you how to create a logo. Actually, I went through the steps slowly for you, but if you do it quickly, it only takes about 3 to 4 minutes to complete. I hope this video will be helpful for you, so you can create unique logos for your company. You can get creative and come up with even more ideas, helping your customers remember your company when they see your logo, know what your products are, and always keep your company in mind. Finally, thank you for taking the time to watch. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and share it with others in our export community. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye-bye.